shaft of diameter 100 mm is rotating inside a journal bearing of diameter 102 mm at a speed that will be 360 rpm. The space between the shaft and bearing is filled with a lubricating oil of viscosity 5 poise. The length of the bearing, that is 200 mm. Find the power absorbed in the lubricating oil. So what is given in this question? So inside diameter of the shaft, that is 100 mm, that will be 0.1 meter. Outside diameter, that is 102 mm, that is equal to 0.102 meter. So from here you can get the thickness of the lubricating oil, that will be in outer diameter minus inner diameter divided by 2. So 102 minus 100 divided by 2. So that will be 1 mm, that will be 0.001 meter. Now, speed, that is given 360 rpm, viscosity 5 poise, that will be equal to 0.5 Newton second per meter square. Length of the cylinder, that is 200 mm, that is 0.2 meter. So you have to calculate the value of power. So first you have to find out the value of U that is equal to pi dn divided by 60. So pi into d, that is 0.1, which is given in this question, into n, that is 360 divided by 60. So from here you can get the value of U, that is 1.885 meter per second. Now, if you want to calculate the shear stress tau from Newton's law of viscosity, that will be mu into du by dy. So mu is given in this question, that is 0.5, into du, that is 1.885, and what is the value of dy? That is the thickness, that is 0.001. So from here you get the shear stress, that will be 942.48 Newton per meter square. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate the force, that is shear stress into area. So what is the value of shear stress? That is 942.48 into pi into d into L. So d is the inner diameter, that is 0.1, into L. L is the 200 mm, that is equal to 0.2. So 0.2. So from here you get the value of force, that is 59.22 Newton. Now if you want to calculate the torque, that is F into d by 2. We know that. So what is the value of F? That is 59.22, and diameter, that is 0.1 divided by 2. So from here you get the value of torque, that is 2.96 Newton meter. Now if you want to calculate the power, so power we know that 2 pi nt divided by 60. So 2 pi, what is the value of n? That is 360, into what is the value of torque? That is 2.96 divided by 60. So from here you get the value of power, that will be 111.62 watt. So our answer will be this.